Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make biscuit halwa. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 20 to 25 digestive biscuits, which form the delicious base of our halwa. Also, have 1 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of rich ghee ready. A small pinch of cardamom powder adds a lovely aroma, and some chopped nuts will be perfect for garnishing our sweet treat. Now, let's prepare our biscuits. Take your 20 to 25 digestive biscuits and crush them into a very fine powder. You can easily do this using a food processor for speed, or if you prefer, a rolling pin and a sturdy bag work just as well. The key is to ensure there are absolutely no large chunks left, as a smooth, uniform powder is essential for achieving that perfect halwa consistency. Next, we'll start cooking our halwa base. In a non-stick pan, melt 2 tablespoons of ghee over medium heat. Once the ghee is warm, add your finely crushed biscuit powder. Sauté this mixture for about 2 to 3 minutes, stirring continuously. You'll notice it becoming fragrant and taking on a slightly toasted color. This step helps to deepen the flavor and ensures a wonderful texture for our halwa. Finally, let's bring it all together. Pour in 1 cup of milk and 1/2 cup of sugar, then add a pinch of cardamom powder. Mix everything thoroughly. Continue to cook on medium-low heat, stirring constantly, until the mixture thickens and starts to leave the sides of the pan. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Once done, transfer your delicious biscuit halwa to a serving dish, garnish with chopped nuts, and enjoy it warm.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.